Is your microphone not working on Windows 11? In this video, we'll guide you through 3 effective methods to fix audio input issues and get your mic back in action. Click Start and go to Settings. Click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the model and click Next. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall and then click Yes to restart your system. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.